name's Eloise.
Okay, we're going to go show the track. Go Mildenhall today.
Yep, a lovely
Day.
Yep.
It's been wet.
It's been wet, yeah. The kids' track
It's been raining
is
all night.
alright.
It's
Yeah,
quite
it's
big.
just raining all night.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Okay, so
this is the track.
that's the haunted track. But in person, in the hills, quite big.
Yeah.
So, motocross boy, tell me. So. Hi guys, it's Riri 23.
Yeah, tell them where you are.
I'm
No.
at Mildenhall. And this is Eloise. Hi. What's motocross girls?